We produce two types of tarpaulins: woven flexible and reinforced plastic tarpaulins. Both types are produced in sheet and roll forms. We receive the raw materials, which are safely stored in our warehouse. Mixing and tape extrusion. The production starts with the mixing of the plastic granules. The quality of the granule mixture is checked by our quality control team. The next stage of the manufacturing process is the extrusion. The granule mix is melted and converted into sheets by an extruder and then cut into yarns or tapes. The yarns are integrated to increase the denier, followed by the winding of the yarns onto the bobbins. Weaving. Next comes the weaving process. The plastic yarn is mounted onto the creels of the looms to weave it into plastic fabric. The automated water jet looms are used for weaving the high-quality polyethylene fabric. Lamination. The rolls of fabric are then transferred to the lamination machine, where the fabric is laminated on both sides. For the woven flexible tarpaulins, a grey reinforcement band is applied to strengthen the fabric. Logos are printed on the fabric according to the client's requirements. Welding. The laminated fabric is sent to the welding and automated cutting section. The fabric is centrally welded and cut into different sizes according to the requirements of our clients. Hemming and eyelets. The hemming process and eyelets application only applies to the reinforced tarpaulins. The hemming machines add reinforcements to various sized sheets, making them more durable. At this stage, ropes are also stitched to the sheets. Eyelets are installed if our client requests so. The main use of eyelets is to tie the sheets to ropes, ensuring different ways in which the tarpaulin can be used. Folding, packing and stacking. The tarpaulins are now ready to be folded, pressed and packed into bales and then stacked. The plastic sheets and rolls are ready to be shipped. To ensure the highest quality standard, rigorous quality control checks take place at every step of the process. These include the tensile strength test, weight test and hook test.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.